Best Hair Transplant Technology. Spotlight on the revolutionary HARRTS FUEsion X robotic system. Hair transplant technology has undergone significant advancements in recent years, and among the notable innovations, the HARRTS FUEsion X robotic hair transplant machine developed by I Brain Robotics stands out. This article explores the best hair transplant technologies with special emphasis on the HARRTS FUEsion X. Evolution of hair transplant technologies. Hair transplant procedures have evolved from traditional methods like strip harvesting to more advanced techniques like follicular unit extraction, FUE. The latter is less invasive and reduces recovery time. The development of robotic and AI-assisted systems has further revolutionized this field, making procedures more precise and efficient. HARRTS FUEsion X, a technological marvel. The HARRTS FUEsion X, developed by I Brain Robotics, is at the forefront of this revolution. This robotic system integrates several advanced features. HARRTS Hair Studio Result Simulation Tool. This tool aids surgeons in simulating the expected results using the client's photographs, enhancing the accuracy of outcome predictions. Usided Automated Extraction System. This system doubles the speed of the procedure compared to conventional methods. Safety handpieces and punches. These components minimize graft transection and standardize the depth of coring during extraction. Cold storage chambers. These chambers prolong graft survival outside the body, thereby improving results. AI camera. Enhanced with computer vision and machine vision algorithms, it offers next-generation graft visibility. 50x Smart Magnification Autofocus AI camera. This feature enhances the visibility and yield of the extracted grafts. Advanced AI software. It assists in detailed donor area analysis and differential graft visualization and extraction. 100 AR glasses display and HUD. These reduce postural fatigue and improve graft yield during extraction. DOF robotic arm with machine learning algorithm. This arm aids in precise donor area scanning and analysis. AI implantation strategy. Suggestion. The machine automatically suggests the best strategy for implantation based on baldness grade and available grafts. Autograft counter. This feature counts extraction events for individual surgeons and totals them. Advanced one-touch controls. These controls manage the speed, direction, duration, and interval of extraction events during the procedure. Wireless connectivity. The system offers wireless and wired options for controlling various aspects of the procedure. Remote connection capability. This facilitates seamless diagnostics and tech support whenever needed. Self-diagnostics capability. The system checks its own health at each startup. Machine talk technology. This next-generation feature enables surgeons to operate hands-free. Inbuilt LED light with AI camera. This setup eliminates the need for bulky, expensive operating room lights. Comparing with other technologies. While the HARRTS FUEsion X is a significant advancement, other technologies in the market also contribute to the field. Artis Robotic System and Neograft are other notable names. Each of these systems has its unique strengths, with some focusing more on automation, while others prioritize user control and flexibility. Future of hair transplant technologies. The future of hair transplant technologies looks promising with the integration of AI, machine learning, and more sophisticated robotic systems. These technologies are expected to enhance the precision and efficiency of hair transplants further while minimizing human error and maximizing patient comfort. Conclusion. The HARRTS FUEsion X by I Brain Robotics exemplifies the cutting-edge technology currently available in the field of hair transplants. As the technology continues to evolve, it promises not only better aesthetic results for patients, but also a more comfortable and efficient process. This innovation marks a significant step forward in the journey towards more advanced, patient-friendly hair restoration solutions.